Welcome to Pigsicle BBQ. Today we're going to be making fajitas. We got a special guest here today. We've got Jenna.
Hello everyone.
She is part of our Clash of Clans team, as well as, I guess, daughter-in-law? Yeah, that's what we'd call it, daughter-in-law. I always want to say stepdaughter, but that's not correct. That's not correct, that's right. So, daughter-in-law. So, she's going to be our helper today. We are going to make fajitas. We're going to make it out of skirt steak. This is my favorite type of meat for fajitas. So, let's get started. Let's get this out of the package, and we'll get it cleaned up. Okay, so here we go. As you can tell, these are very long pieces. Lots of fat on them. Not so much fat on the one side, lots of fat on the inside. So we are going to clean these up. We will trim off some of that fat, clean off the silver skin, then we will give them a marinate and a rub.
So this is the fat. What is silver skin?
Silver skin, if you can see here, see how it's a real fine skin. Not sure if we can get that on video. But right here you can see the silver skin wrapped with the fat, so we try and trim that all off. It just makes it very tough to chew through. So what we can do, once I get some of the fat trimmed off and the silver skin cleaned up, we can get you giving it a rub with the secret ingredients.
Okay.
And I'll keep trimming.
Sounds good. And how come you're cutting it like that?
I can't
Just
put
easier?
it. Yeah, I can't put it all on the grill with that length. So if I just cut it into 4 pieces, it makes it easier to trim up, get through it a little quicker. You don't have to worry about getting too much of the fat off. Fat is flavor, but some of the ugly looking fat, I like to get it off. Part of this, the fat on the grill is just going to flare up and create more problems when you're grilling it anyways. So now I'll continue to trim. What we'll do is we'll get you to put our secret ingredient.
Okay.
We can't show anyone the secret ingredient.
Secret.
The secret.
The secret.
Is very much a secret. So you're gonna put this on both sides. Once you get that done, then I'll show you the next step.
Okay, sounds good. All right. How are these looking so far, Jim?
Looking pretty good.
I'm a good assistant.
You are a great assistant.
Good.
See? How's that? See?
Yeah.
Everyone says I don't give enough compliments out. I hope you guys are hungry because this is just for the 4 of us. Yeah. Okay, so our next secret ingredient, which we will not show to anyone either. This is our rub that we are going to shake on. This, you can be generous.
Okay.
You want it on both sides, a nice good coat. We should also mention that because of the virus going on, our competition down in Bixby has been canceled.
Yeah, it was a sad day.
So unfortunately we won't be going to that. So we got a new paint job for the barbecue and don't get to show it off.
Next year.
Just wait until she does videos when we do macrame.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I don't even know what macrame is. Yeah, what is it? It's a craft thing.
Jay, like
Drinking
you're
involved in it?
sure if you want to. Yeah.
And why are you off?
Yeah.
Because
I am off due to the coronavirus.
did you stock up on toilet paper?
I did not. I did not. But I also have in-laws that have enough.
We only got 1 package.
We have a big package, so if you need,
Big package of what?
yeah, big package of toilet paper.
Oh.
Yeah. So if you need, I can
gonna
spare
run out?
1 roll. Jim. 1 roll.
In exchange for
Supper. What do you do when you're off for a couple weeks?
When are you getting married, Jenna?
We are getting married in November 13th, 2021. For all you viewers at home, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, and click the bell.
And do we have another video showing that they can click on?
I don't
Where
know.
you got to point up or point up. Here, if you point up here, if they click on that, that'll take them to the McRib.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Click the McRib.
And we should respond. We've had lots of people commenting. Some good, some bad, but you know, that's to be expected.
Oh, so we play in a Clash of Clans league. And so our clan is Pigsicle BBQ. And I would say we have about 40 members in our
49.
49 members
Yeah,
now.
we're one away from being full.
Yeah, woohoo!
See, they could
So-
be the viewer could be the next lucky.
Next
Yeah.
year could be the lucky one to be the 50th. Okay, so now that we've got everything cut, we will put that back in the fridge, let it sit for about 2 hours. If you wanted to, you could do it 4 hours, 6 hours. But we'll let it sit. In the meantime, we'll clean up and get the grills ready. And we'll come back and take some more pictures.
All right, everybody, welcome back. We've marinated our meat for about 2 hours or so. And we are gonna start making our fajitas.
One thing I would like to show you, it is optional, something that I picked up, they're relatively cheap. They're cast iron skillet. Make it more of a restaurant style if you wanted to. We will put these in the oven at 400 for half an hour. We will start to cook up saute our peppers and onions for the fajitas, and then we'll start the meat after that. Let's get at it.
If you like what you see, come and get it with me.
So we will give these a little bit of seasoning.
Cause your heart's made of gold, but don't wait till you're old. If you want it, I get you some. Feel your body losing up the tension. Baby, did I mention?
We are gonna sample this meat now. I'm sure it's gonna be delicious.
Have you had fajitas here before?
I haven't.
Really?
No,
You've never had my fajitas?
I haven't had your fajitas yet.
Have you had fajitas before?
Yes,
Okay.
at a takeout fajita restaurant, but still a fajita.
I made the chicken potato.
Oh, yes. All right. Pesto. Oh, wow.
That's good.
Mind blown. Oh, this is amazing. Holy man.
James is starving over here.
Oh my god. So much flavor. Wetted the taste.
Isn't that good?
Oh,
Isn't that amazing?
oh my god. I got chills.
You just need that.
Oh, that's amazing. I like tomatoes. That is awesome. Okay. Ready, Jim? High five.
We gotta get
I don't-
wait. We
I
gotta.
don't think you're allowed to do that with coronavirus. No hard time.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Social
Get the elbows.
distancing.
Elbows.
Social distancing. Hey, hey.
Elbows.
oh yeah, elbows.
Okay.
Okay,
So
here we
Yeah.
are.
here's the way it would look. What have we got? We can't see it, but somewhere, Guru Piggy will get that in the shot. Dig him, Jenna.
All right,
So you're gonna need a fork cup.
I'm gonna make this thing.
Let it go, lose control like you're on a ride. Let me free your mind, let me free your mind. Give it up, never stop.
It's the best you've ever had.